I'm Plastic Free Mermaid, and I'm going to be teaching you today how to make your very own dishwasher tablets. Yay! This saves you money, it's good for the environment, there's less packaging around your dishwashing soap, it's not as heavy, you're making it from things you already own, and it's really easy. And it's totally natural, which means good for the planet, good for you and your family, and good for the water, because whatever we wash our dishes with drains out into our waterways. Cool, let's get into it. Baking soda or bicarb, doing 1 cup. 1 cup washing powder, which is just baked bicarb. 1/4 cup citric acid. 1/4 cup salt. Stir. Get all the clumps out. A few drops of essential oils. I have local tea tree oil here. That helps with the apple cider vinegar smell. We want this to be a paste. 1 cup apple cider vinegar. I like to make my own. And stir straight away. Ooh, kind of reacts with the first powder it touches, so you want to try and stir it in quick. I usually don't use silicone because we're not sure if it's safe when it's hot. Of course, it's not petroleum derived like plastic, but silicone, it hasn't totally been tested in terms of whether it leaches, so I try not to use it for cooking, but I do have these from leftover from a share house I used to live in, so I will use them for our dish tabs. And I like to use a metal spoon to press these down. You can also use silicone chocolate mold or an ice cube tray. Another reason why I don't like to use silicone for baking, because plastic is really adsorbent, and absorb any chemicals that it comes into contact with, it actually absorbs and then can leach into something else. So even though these chemicals are fine and we eat apple cider vinegar and we have sodium bicarbonate in our body already, if these were to absorb any chemicals in nasty dishwashing soap, it could leach into our baked goods. Just gonna press them down extra hard to compact all that paste in the little mold. And then seal them up. And then we can leave these for 12 to 24 to even 48 hours. So we really want them to dry out and hold their shape, but it is likely that they might crumble and fall apart. You're gonna store them in an airtight container anyways. So take a little dishwashing tab, put it in your dishwasher, run the cycle, and then whatever's left over at the bottom of your container that you're storing the tabs in, use that for a wash cycle once you're at the end of your tabs. Obviously, we used a lot of vinegar in this recipe, so the dishes are already gonna be amazing. Please hit subscribe if you like the videos. I haven't used single-use plastic for 10 years. I make all my own everythings, so tune in for more recipes and tips and tricks, and also interviews with scientists. I hope you have a fabulous day. Please subscribe and like and comment and ask questions below. Thanks.